Bounce, baby. Bounce, 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 bounce. Bounce, 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 bounce.
And Bob, who can fire up a crowd more than Bill Belichick? I mean, you can just imagine the anticipation. The faithful are already streaming into Gillette Stadium. Behind me, it's a free event. And at 10:30, just a few minutes from now, they're going to run a replay of the exciting AFC Championship game where the Patriots held on against the Baltimore Ravens. Right around noon, Belichick will speak along with the son of the owner, Jonathan Kraft, the team president. And at 12:10, after the Patriots greet the fans from the field, the Patriots will be whisked away to a bus, which will take them to the airport. They'll be flying to Indianapolis a few hours from now. They'll be landing around 5:15, and they'll be speaking to our own airport in Indy at 6 o'clock. It's just remarkable. After bringing these fans 4 Super Bowls in the last 11 seasons, they are turning out